This is Open Notebook, a self-hosted open source alternative to Google's NotebookLM, built by LF Novo, MIT licensed, 26,300 G8E hub stars, 3,000 forks with version 1.9.0 shipped on June 2nd. The pitch is direct. NotebookLM became famous for one thing. You drop in your research sources, you chat with them in a context-aware way, and you generate a multi-speaker AI podcast that walks through the material like two hosts on a real show. Open Notebook does all of that, except self-hosted on hardware you own against 18 plus AI providers you pick. OpenAI, Anthropic, Ollama, Azure, Mistral, Groq, whichever your team actually uses. Multi-modal sources, PDFs, web pages, YouTube transcripts, PowerPoint, audio recordings, plain markdown, full text and vector search across everything you have indexed, context-aware chat that grounds answers in your actual material, AI-generated structured notes from any input, and the podcast generation feature with multiple speaker voices that started the whole NotebookLM phenomenon. All open source, no telemetry. NotebookLM is one of the genuinely useful AI products Google has shipped. The pitch is research workflow as a first-class app. You give the system your sources, the AI grounds every answer in those sources, you can chat with the material, generate notes, and produce that multi-speaker podcast that walks through your inputs like two real hosts discussing them. The reason NotebookLM became a phenomenon was the podcast generation specifically. It turned out that you could generate a 15-minute audio summary of any PDF or article that genuinely sounded like real people having a conversation, and that hit a real productivity nerve. The trade-off with the Google version is the usual one. Your sources go to Google, the models are Google's, the entire interaction is logged to Google's infrastructure. Open Notebook is the answer for anyone who wanted the workflow without giving the documents to Google. Self-hosted, your choice of model provider, your data stays on your hardware. Privacy first, by design. The numbers reflect a project that landed in a genuine product gap. 26,300 GitHub stars and 3,000 forks since release. Top tier for a self-hosted AI tool in the first months of its life. 64% TypeScript, with Python handling the model integration and the podcast generation pipeline. MIT licensed, fully open source, no commercial fork, no telemetry, no upsell flow inside the product. Backed by LF Novo, who has been actively shipping releases through the year. Version 1.9.0 dropped on June 2nd with refinements to the podcast pipeline, additional provider integrations, and a faster vector indexing layer. 18 plus AI providers wired up out of the box: OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Ollama for local inference, Azure OpenAI, Google Gemini, Mistral, Groq, Together, OpenRouter, plus several others. Single Docker composed deployment that brings up the front end, the back end, the vector store, and the optional audio synthesis pipeline. What ships in version 1.9 covers the full NotebookLM workflow with some additions Google does not match: multi-modal source ingestion, PDFs, web pages, YouTube transcripts via the YouTube API, PowerPoint files, audio files, markdown, plain text, full text and vector search across everything you have indexed, so the AI chat can ground answers in the actual material rather than hallucinating. Context-aware chat where the AI references the specific sources for every claim it makes, with inline citations you can click to verify. AI-generated structured notes from any source. Summarize, extract key points, generate flashcards, draft outlines. The podcast generation pipeline takes any set of sources and produces a multi-speaker audio summary with selectable voices, configurable speaker personalities, and adjustable length. 18 plus AI providers means you can use a cheap model for indexing, a strong model for chat, and a different model for podcast script generation. Full data export, no telemetry by default. The whole stack runs locally with Ollama if you want zero external API calls. This is the Open Notebook marketing site running on the project's own domain. The hero leads with the tagline, "Take control of your learning." Privately, the features section walks through the source ingestion pipeline, the AI chat with grounded citations, the podcast generation flow, the note authoring tools. The supported sources list spans a full multimodal range, uploads, URLs, YouTube videos, document files. The integrations grid shows the 18 plus AI providers wired up out of the box. The privacy section is the part most marketing pages skip. explicit about what data goes where, which providers see what, and how to configure a fully local setup against Ollama. The download section links the Docker Compose file and the documentation for self-hosted deployment. The site itself is clean, fast, and focused, exactly what the project's philosophy suggests. Deploying. OpenNotebook is one curl plus one Docker Compose command. Download the Compose file directly from the project's main branch on GitHub, then bring the stack up. That pulls the front end, the back end, the vector store, and the optional audio synthesis services, configures them against each other, and starts everything. The first run takes a few minutes to pull container images and initialize the database. Drop in your API keys for whichever AI providers you actually use, or point the configuration at a local Ollama instance for a fully offline setup. Point a browser at the local port and the workspace is ready. Create a notebook, drop in your sources, start chatting. The podcast generation pipeline is the one place you might want a stronger model for good results. Claude Opus or GPT 5.5 tend to produce the most natural sounding scripts. The rest of the workflow works fine on cheaper or local models. OpenNotebook fits into a specific corner of the self-hosted AI landscape. Compared to NotebookLM directly, OpenNotebook is the privacy-respecting alternative with model choice. Fewer rough edges in some places, more rough edges in others. Compared to Odysseus, the PewDiePie self-hosted AI workspace we covered last week. Odysseus is the broader unified workspace with chat, plus agents, plus email, plus calendar, plus notebook. While OpenNotebook is the focused notebook tool that does notebook workflows specifically. Compared to anything LLM, the older entry in this space, OpenNotebook has tighter podcast generation, better multi-modal source ingestion, and the modern Docker Compose deployment story. Compared to LM Studio plus a vector store, storing OpenNotebook brings the workflow on top of those primitives rather than asking you to assemble them yourself. The right choice depends on whether you want a focused tool that does Notebook LM style research workflows well, or a broader workspace where Notebook is one of 9 modules. Both approaches are valid. OpenNotebook is the focused one. If you want to try OpenNotebook, the install is one curl plus one Docker Compose command. Download the Compose file from the LFnovo repository, bring the stack up, point a browser at the local port, drop in your AI provider API keys. For the fully local setup, point the configuration at Ollama running on the same machine and you have a complete offline notebook workspace. The podcast generation pipeline is the feature most worth experimenting with. Pick a strong model for the script generation step, give it 5 or 6 sources, and listen to what it produces. The 18+ AI provider support means you can use different models for different parts of the workflow without rewriting any configuration. Pairs with the Odysseus video from last week, both are self-hosted AI projects that landed in the same era, with different scopes. The repository, the marketing site, and the version 1.9 release notes are all linked in the description. If you have been using NotebookLM and wanted the same workflow without your sources going to Google, OpenNotebook is the most polished open source answer in the category right now. Subscribe to AwesomeFOSS for more open source tools that actually replace the proprietary defaults.